Hi everyone, here we've got OPPO Reno4 Pro, and let me show you how to enable night light, night mode, or eye comfort mode, whatever you call it. So first of all, let's begin with some customization of this mode. In order to do that, simply open the settings, and here let's tap on the display and brightness. And as you can see, on the third position we've got eye comfort option. In order to turn it on right now, just tap on the switcher on it. And as you can see, the screen turns a little bit yellowish, and it is in order to filter the blue light. Now let's tap on eye comfort, and here we've got some options to customize. First of all, we can decide if we want to turn always on, so it means that this mode will be always active. What's more, we can schedule it. Let's tap here, and as you can see, the start time and end time are active, so we can tap on it and by swiping choose the start time and the end time, and it will be immediately applied. Let me turn it off, and as you can see here we've got the screen color temperature. Let's tap on always on. Here we can adjust the intensity of that feature. It's up to you how you want to set it. And under it we've got display effects, we've got the color option, so the screen will be yellow but you will be able to still see all the colors, or we can set black and white. Let's tap here, let's mark it, and as you can see the whole screen turns to the black and white colors. But let me get back and let's set the colors. So this is the whole customization of this mode. If you want to have much faster access to this feature, simply unroll the top bar and find the eye comfort icon. As you can see, now it is turned on. In order to turn it off, just tap on it, and the screen turns to its normal state. So that's all. This is how to enable night light, night mode, or eye comfort mode in your OPPO Reno4 Pro. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.